Stop. Don't scroll past this, because what I'm about to show you will be the most important creative news of 2025. Today, a leak just hit the AI world that's bigger than Sora, Runway, or anything Google or OpenAI has dropped. A mysterious platform called PixVerse. Yes, the one whispered about in closed discords and private DMs. Just burst wide open, and it's unlike anything you've seen. Imagine typing a single sentence, and the next minute you're watching a cinematic movie. Not clips, not memes. A real, full story with actors, emotion, dialogue, music, even edits that match your style. This isn't hype. This is the future of filmmaking, content creation, and online video, made by you. Want to see how it works? Want to know why this is making even top YouTubers and Hollywood execs panic? Then subscribe, hit that bell, and buckle up, because you're seeing the first full breakdown of the PixVerse AI leak before anyone else. Let's dive in. 1. What is PixVerse? Why this leak is breaking the internet? First, what actually is PixVerse? And why is it so much bigger than every other AI tool? PixVerse isn't just an upgrade to existing AI video. It's the world's first true AI film studio for everyone, anywhere, with no budget, no crew, no actors, no editing suite. All you need, a sentence. Here's what the leak, dropped July 5th, reveals. 1. Full-length scenes. Generate up to 3 minutes of film-quality video from a single prompt. 2. Multi-scene, multi-character storytelling. The AI remembers the narrative, so your story flows. 3. Real human emotion. Faces don't glitch. Hands work. Eyes blink and track. You get frowns, smiles, tears, emotion at film school level. 4. Director's controls. You decide camera angles, color grading, music, even the style, from Pixar to noir to anime. People are calling it the mid-journey moment for movies, but that's underselling it. If you wanted to make a sci-fi epic, a love story, a horror short, or a viral music video, PixVerse gives you the power in minutes. Let's pause. If you could make any movie, what's the first scene you'd bring to life? Type your dream prompt in the comments. We'll feature the wildest ones next episode. 2. How does PixVerse work? The genius tech that changes the game. This is not your dad's AI video generator. Here's the magic behind the curtain. The core? A neural engine called Visionary, the next-gen brain for video AI. It's been trained on hundreds of thousands of hours of film, animation, YouTube, and TikTok. Not just random clips. Full movies, story arcs, lighting, sound, pacing, and dialogue. 1. Natural context memory. You can write, a girl finds a robot in her backyard. The robot speaks. They build a spaceship together. PixVerse doesn't break. It moves scene by scene. Robot voice, child actor, spaceship montage. The story makes sense. 2. Live director's panel. Want your short in the style of Wes Anderson? Or anime? Or with drone shots and lens flares? Select or type it in. The AI will copy the style, down to the color palette and frame rate. 3. Dialogue engine. Characters can talk in natural, synced speech. You can clone your voice, pick from dozens of accents, or let the AI cast voices for you. 4. Music and soundtrack. Type dark synth or uplifting piano. The AI composes music and sound effects that fits the action, syncs it to the edit, and even reacts to dialogue. But the killer feature? Instant, real-time editing. Want to add a slow motion shot or make it rain? Just highlight the part, type your edit, and it updates in seconds. No waiting for a re-render. This is the difference between AI helping creators and AI replacing the need for a team. PixVerse is a true creative partner. What classic movie or viral meme would you remake first, and in what style? Share your dream mashups below. 3. Inside the leak. Real demo footage, real reactions. So, was this all vaporware, or did we actually see the goods? Here's what surfaced from today's leak. 3-minute drama. A teenager writes a letter to their future self. Rain falls, piano plays, The parent walks in for a hug. Close-ups on hands, pen, and tears. PixVerse. Every frame looks like a film festival entry. Pen moves naturally. Rain on windows refracts light. Hugs show tension in fingers. Not a single frame looks AI weird. Action sci-fi. A fighter pilot crash lands on an alien world. Purple sky, neon plants, glowing whales in the ocean. Dramatic music and slow-motion explosion. PixVerse. Camera pans from cockpit to ocean. Pilot stumbles out, wipes visor. Neon whales breach as soundtrack swells. Explosion reflects off water, just like a Marvel movie. Comedy argument. Two friends debate pineapple on pizza in a neon-lit NYC slice shop. Lightning outside, dialogue gets heated. PixVerse. Banter is timed. Lip sync is dead on. Neon signs flicker. Faces get redder as voices rise. Lighting and thunder flash outside, exactly on cue. On the fly edits, mid-demo, the creator types, add more storm, make dialogue faster, zoom in on faces. PixVerse instantly updates the edit. No awkward cuts, no reset, just seamless movie magic. Real creators' responses. Is this real life or AI? No studio, no team, no $10,000 budget. And I get this. Sora and Runway can't touch this for emotion and consistency. This is the first time AI video has crossed from cool demo to actually ready for prime time. The buzz is everywhere. Reddit, Discord, TikTok, X. If you're not excited yet, go search PixVerse leak and watch the reactions. What's your verdict? Is this the future of filmmaking, or is it scary to see AI this good? Sound off below. Your comment could spark the next debate. 4. The impact. Who wins, who loses, and what changes tomorrow? PixVerse is about to flip the creative world upside down. Here's who benefits and who's sweating. Solo creators and YouTubers. Create daily pro-level videos without hiring editors or actors. Rapidly test ideas, chase trends, and go viral with zero overhead. Niche topics become movie-level content, any language, any age. Brands and marketers. Personalized video ads for every customer or region. A /B test every creative idea, instantly, no agency delays. Reactive marketing, trending meme in the morning, branded video by noon. Teachers and educators, animate lessons, create historical reenactments, show science visually. Let students direct their own films as projects. Accessible for kids with special needs. No reading required to experience a story. Indie filmmakers, prototype scripts with actual footage. Pitch visually, crowdsource feedback. No more $100,000 for VFX shots, just prompt, tweak, render. Small teams, big visions, global reach. Hollywood and big studios. Faster, cheaper storyboarding, background generation, and previs. But will AI replace artists, writers, animators, and actors? Legal chaos, unions, copyright, and the risk of deepfake blockbusters. The dark side, flood of cheap, low-effort, or spam content. Deepfakes and misinformation. Who can you trust on screen? Will YouTube, TikTok, Meta monetize or suppress pure AI video? The genie is out of the bottle. The only question, who learns to use this magic first, and who gets left behind? If everyone can make movies, who will stand out? What will make a creator special in the age of PixVerse? Leave your wisdom in the comments. 5. What happens next? Beta access, launch timeline, and the coming AI video war. So what's the next move, and how can you get in before PixVerse explodes? From today's leaks and inside sources. Beta invites rolling out in July to select YouTubers, indie filmmakers, teachers, and brands. If you have reach, start asking now. Public waitlist opens today. Sign up, share your channel or reason. Get to the front of the line for viral access. Early birds get the most attention and biggest press. Prompt marketplace. Creators will be able to sell or share custom looks. Think Pixar, anime, Michael Bay, for credits or cash. API and mobile app coming. Imagine automating dozens of branded videos, viral content, or even classroom lessons from your phone. The arms race begins. OpenAI's Sora, Runway, Pika, Google's Lumiere, Meta's MU. All will try to catch up or shut down access. The next 6 months will decide who controls the next decade of video. Regulation is coming. Governments and platforms are watching. If AI movies flood the internet, expect big debates over copyright, labeling, and ethical guidelines. Whatever happens, the winner will be whoever makes the tech most accessible, keeps creators in control, and listens to what we want, not just what big studios or Silicon Valley says. Would you join the beta? What's the first story you want the world to see made with PixVerse? Shout it below. This is just the beginning. Welcome to the era of limitless storytelling. You just got the world's first full look at the PixVerse AI leak. Before the blogs, before the talking heads, before the late-night think pieces. What happens now is up to you. Every filmmaker, teacher, marketer, or dreamer just became a potential movie studio. The only question left is, what story will you tell? The rules have changed forever. Don't be the last to catch up. Like, subscribe, and ring that bell for exclusive hands-on demos, PixVerse beta invites, and the most viral AI news first every day. Comment your wildest idea below. Next video, I'll bring the top comment to life with PixVerse and shout you out. Stay bold, stay creative, and never forget, this is just the first chapter in the future of human storytelling.